Thank you, Vishal, and thank you, everybody, those who are in this particular session now. Yeah, I am very, very much blessed to be a part of your community here. And from the beginning, I was always looking for some alternative things other than this usual medicines, allopathy thing. So I have also followed some, what is that? This home remedies for things like that. So I was able to learn little things I knew. But after joining this Go Nature, the knowledge what you gave was so vast for the amount what we have paid. That much I have to tell here. And small things, not a very big things. The small things is bringing so much of big changes and results in the what are the things we learned. So I'm really happy to be a part of your your community.
Same here.
So I'm waiting to meet you in person somewhere.
Definitely.
Either Jaipur trip or something like that.
Definitely in Jaipur we can meet.
Help me a lot. It helped me a lot, and I've learned so many things.
Definitely. Always with you. Always with each one of us. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for sharing that journey, and more power to you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you for you also.
Thank you.
So
Thank
you to continue teaching this one and making people healthy and giving knowledge.
Yes, your blessings are there with us. Nobody can stop us. Yes.
Now people require that.
Yes.
So you're like a God-sent person. I mean that.
Thank you.
Thank you.